British people love to exaggerate. We say things that aren't literally true in order to make an impact.
We use forever to say that something takes a very, very long time. Sorry, I'm late. I was stuck in traffic forever. We use the phrase dying for to say that we really, really need something. Obviously, we're not literally dying. I'm dying for a cup of coffee. If something is hurting a lot, we can exaggerate using the phrase, it's killing me, or it's killing. Again, we are not literally being killed. My tooth is killing me. We exaggerate by using very, very large numbers, like thousands and millions. Again, this is not literal. It's just a way to say a lot. I'm so busy. I've got thousands of emails to reply to. I bet you are dying to watch more of these videos. There are thousands more on our website.